This is the FabFitFun box that it came in, and this is all the packaging. Cause I got add-ons, and this is the winter box for 2018. And if you open it, this is what it looks like. So it says, "Find your cozy." FabFitFun, find your cozy. Now, I will show you the add-ons I received first. So the first one I received is this Samoa purifying charcoal clay face mask. And this is going to be one of my sister's presents. So here's the bottom, the top, the side, the back, and this side. So she is going to love this, I'm sure. So that's hers. Then I also found in my add-ons this Dermalect makeover concealing ridge filler. Here's the top, the side, or the back, the other side, and the bottom. So I received that. And then I found, if I can find the front, I found this. It's the Soul Fog shoe odor eliminator in fresh. So I got that as another add-on. Then you're always greeted with a magazine first, and this shows you what's in your box. And this month's box is in support of the Kindness Factory. So if I can just kind of show you, it's got tips and stuff. So you always get that. So I'm going to separate the add-ons from the stuff I got in the box. Then you get the $60 gift card to HelloFresh. I didn't use the first one I got because this is my second box, but I have not used the first one, so. And then I also get a code for you. Or like, I think this is a code. I don't know what this is, but so this is just a gift card for FabFitFun. Then we get into the good stuff. So let me just put you down for a second. I don't really care if I tear this apart. Ooh! So this is what you see inside. So the first thing I'm going to pick up is this Ahava hydration cream mask, and this is that's how much is in it, and then it has some information. This is what it looks like on the back and the sides and the top. So this I'm really excited for. I like to look at videos to know what I'm getting myself into. And I saw this in some of the videos, and they said that this is good for if you have dry skin in the wintertime, and it comes from the Dead Sea. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. So I received that. The next thing I'm going to be picking up is this bear paw. It's bear paw, and it's a headband and glove set. So I'm really looking forward to this because I live in BC and it's really, really cold here. sometimes in the winter. So this is going to come in really handy. The next thing I am pulling out is, ooh, I got essential oils. Nice. I received Elevate 2 essential oils in eucalyptus and sweet orange. I wasn't expecting to get these, but I did get them anyway. So, and I think I know what I'm getting. So, then I picked up this. I'm just gonna, I want to get the bubble wrap off of this. Ooh. Packaging goes over there. This Pure Be Your Selfie eyeshadow palette. No, I'm not going to open up the packaging yet, but this is the bottom, the top, the side, the other side, and the back. And these are all the shades. So, yeah. So I got that, and I'm really excited for that. So, but I thought it was going to be way bigger than it already is. Then, everyone gets these. These are essential, or these are like eye masks by Black. So, everyone got those. What's this? Oh, this is a circle necklace by Lily Sadohi. I don't know how to say that. So I'm really excited for that. And it's really pretty. It's a like dainty little necklace. I don't want to open anything because that's not what I do in these unboxings. Then the next thing I got is a lipstick, and it's by Meringue. It's by Bite Beauty, and it's Meringue. The next makeup item is by Thrive Cosmetics, and it is a Brilliant Eye Brightener in the shade Stella. I was looking for that in the packaging, actually. Then we've got a, if I can get it out of here, Mark & Graham Personalized Gifts Throw. And it's, I think in the shade, I might have to look it up and put it in the video description, but I think this is something in ivory. My mom got the brighter one, I think. So it should say on the back. No, it doesn't. So this is actually really, really cute, and I like this a lot. So this is going to go in my room somewhere. So I received that as well. Then I believe that is it for everything in my box this time. So, yeah, that's pretty much everything that came in my box this season, and I really hope that everyone had a good, or is having a good holiday, and I hope that you guys really enjoyed my unboxing. Thank you. Bye.